Chore-Time is a cornerstone of agricultural innovation located right here in Milford, Indiana. Since 1952, Chore-Time has been designing and manufacturing cutting-edge systems for poultry and egg production, helping farmers feed a hungry world. Inside this 395,000 square foot facility, advanced technology meets skilled craftsmanship. From poultry feeders to climate control systems, every product is built to optimize efficiency and animal welfare.
Our state-of-the-art manufacturing processes ensure precision and durability, backed by rigorous quality control systems for consistent, reliable performance.
Creating solutions like the Canavi feeder and all-out feed management system that farmers trust worldwide. At Chore-Time, we're proud to support agriculture with reliable, tailored solutions.
At Chore-Time's Decatur, Alabama plant, skilled welders craft durable poultry cages and building components with precision. Using advanced techniques, they ensure top-quality equipment. Most Chore-Time metal parts are configured and built for manufacturing and assembly on-site in the Milford facility. Advanced technology allows detailed parts to be cut to exactly meet the needs of growers for optimized product performance.
Our dedicated team in Milford drives innovation, supported by a new conference and training center designed to foster collaboration and skill development. From Milford, Indiana to farms across the globe, we're helping build a sustainable future.